All right, everybody, welcome back. We're going to do some more animation with our symbol here. So let's go ahead and get back into our ghost symbol. And what I want to do is add a little wave in the bottom here of the sheet or body or whatever it is here. So I basically want it to go from this position back to the same position over here, all right, while kind of rippling through. So the first thing I need to do is copy this keyframe. I'm going to go ahead and lock these two layers there. I'm going to copy the frame, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the frame there. Okay, so it's the same, but what that's going to allow me to do is to use my onion skin when I need to get back over there to be able to see both sides, okay? So let's go to the middle here. 12, right, is our midpoint. So 13 would be the start of the next frame here. And let's go ahead and make a keyframe. Okay, I didn't want to make a blank keyframe. I wanted to have what's there still. But what I'm going to do is change the bottom now. So I need to kind of erase it because I didn't animate the body or this ripple separately. So let's erase what I've got here. So let's go like this. Erase the bottom. All right, there we go. And now let's go ahead and turn onion skin on. All right, cool. All right, I can see where it is. So what I want to do now, let me go ahead and get back to my black color here. And I want to draw basically an opposite kind of wave here. So let's see. So I do want to start higher. I think it'll start at the same position. So we'll go there, there. Nope, too much. So we'll go there, up, down, and back up, back. Okay, that's good for this. And clean it up a smidge. Okay, so now I need to get this ripple to be this ripple by the time we get to here. Or move all the way across and be that ripple. Let's see. Let's go. Let's see here. No, there to there. Okay, so I need to get from here. Let me make it bigger because let's go halfway. Okay, so let's go halfway here, and we're going to move this over to that bump there. So let's go to 6, and then one more, and go ahead and insert another keyframe. And I'm going to have to go in and erase again. Let's get the eraser, and I'm going to make sure I'm in the right keyframe. And I'm going to color it in white and all that. I just want to kind of make sure I get the ripple correct first. So here I am. Let's see. Got to keep in mind which way it's moving. So I got to keep in mind that this needs to go to there. All right, so there I am. So we're starting with the blue moving to green. Okay, so this line has to kind of move over to the green. So I know I want that line to go there. Let's move this down and kind of go between the lines here. All right, let's see. Let me go ahead and take off onion skin and make sure it looks like it's going the right direction. There to there. Kind of a big, it gets pretty big there. Oh well, let's see. I'm noticing my pen width is not quite the same as well. Might need to widen up my pen a smidge. All right, let's see here. If I can retrace it, get it a little bigger. Let's go there. Didn't mean to select it. more in line. Definitely looks jankier, that's for sure. Should just redraw it. Okay, let's go with that. Let's go ahead and move. Now let's go from this one to the onion skin back on. Get a little shorter here. And I want to in between from the first frame now to the 7th frame. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and let's go. I want to animate in 3s or 2s. I think for this, let's just do 3s to keep it kind of simple. All right, so I'm going to hit another keyframe there. And now let's go ahead and go from our black line to our green line. Got to erase it first, though. Because it shouldn't be black, it should be blue. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Between the lines, between the lines, between the lines, and okay, let's keep going here. So we got 3 frames here, 10th frame, a new keyframe, and let's go ahead and erase. All right, get the black brush. Let's go between. All right, cool. Good. All right. Now, gotta do the same thing on this side. Let's go ahead and expand this so I can see what's going on. Go halfway. So I'm gonna go, let's see, 13. So I gotta go. Brain's not working right now. Let's see. 4. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3. So a keyframe there. Then 1, 2, 3. Right there. Okay. Just couldn't think there for a second. Erase the line. Get that there. You know what? So I don't have to erase next time. Let's just get another keyframe right here. 1, 2, 3. Keyframe. And then let me copy this frame. Well, I have it blank right now. This would have been smarter to do earlier. Copy frame. 1, 2, 3. Paste the frame. Okay, so now I've got a blank one there as well. All right, got to get from blue to green. So let's go. Blue's got to go down. Blue's got to move over. It's got to go between there. All right. Doing it again. Let's see the end there. Okay, got to go to blue to green. Whoops. Let's go. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's go this way. Clean up the end there. Eraser for that little bit. All right. Okay, I think it looks like it's going okay. Okay, got to remove this, clear this frame here. I don't want to remove it. Remove frame, that's what I want to do. All right, let's take a look here. Let's take onion skin off. Take a look. All right, needs a little cleanup, but it'll work. So let's go ahead and quickly dump in our white and then clean it up. So that's good. Oh, didn't do it on the right frame. Go there, dump in white. All right, you want to deselect it because that's annoying. Dump in white, dump in white. Of course, I keep selecting the frame. Let's just go to it. Let's erase that right there, that little point. That does not need to be there. Points back. Erase it. A little funky over there too. Let me go to the brush. Smooth that out. But I need the right color, don't I? Alrighty. And a little smoothing out again. And a little point again. Okay. Let's see the wiggle. A little thing there. Let's go ahead and get the brush. We got white already. Gotta make sure I'm on the right frame, of course. Okay, cool. All right, that's gonna work for me. So I see that point there. See a little bit of white that needs to be added. Let's see, eraser, get rid of that point. I don't know when I'm gonna learn to go onto the correct frame. All right, well that end's just gonna be a little janky, and that's what's gonna be. No reason for that though. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Zoom out here. Let's get back out of this. Hey, look at that. We've got some ghosts doing their thing. Okay, last thing about symbols that I want to show here is that you can control them individually. Okay, so if I click on this symbol, you can see the default here is that it loops and it starts at the first frame. But I can change that. So let's go ahead and switch this to frame 12. Or no, let's go 13. That way it starts the next little bit. All right, let's see now. Okay, and you can see now he starts at a different position. Okay, and I can start anywhere, but I can also do different things here. So let's change all of them. So this one, let's go ahead to play one time. So I can see. Oh, whoops. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, so on this guy, let's go ahead and select him. Let's go to this one, and it says play graphic once. So let's switch it to that, and now we'll see what happens. So he does it one time, and then he stops. Okay, let's go ahead and bring another one in so we can demonstrate the other buttons over there. Okay, so here we go. We got our symbol. Let's go to properties. And what does this one say? This one says it'll play a single frame, the whole graphic. So let's go ahead and go to frame 16. And he's just going to be eternally on boo. So now if I play it, he just stays on boo. But he's in the way of the other one. So let's move you, buddy. Okay, and let's keep going here. Bring in another one. Get smaller and smaller. Small little guy. Right there you are. And let's go ahead and go to our properties over here. And over here, we can play it in reverse. One time. So say boo backwards. All right, and then let's do the last one here. Go back to my library, bring in the last of our little ghost friends here. Little itty bitty one. We'll put you over here. And go to properties here. And let's see, the last one, he's gonna go and just play in reverse. All right, so he'll be a backwards little ghost. Okay, and those are our options with a symbol that we can control under properties, and they each can play differently, even though it's the same animation, the same symbol, right? We can tell it to do different things. Hope you guys learned a little something about symbols and how to use them, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.